Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to put our clothes properly in front load washing machine drum. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung Bespoke AI front load washing machine model, but these tips could be applicable for other models or even other brand washing machines too. Our washing machine's drum plays a vital part in washing our clothes. But before placing our clothes inside the drum, we have to keep some things in mind. These tips may not magically remove all the dirt from our clothes, but helps a lot overall to keep our washing machine and clothes healthy. So let's check the tips one by one. These are general tips, but kindly make sure you read your washing machine's user manual as well. Number one, we have to check whether we have anything inside our pockets. Let it be pant pocket or shirt pocket. We might accidentally have our wallet, earbuds and coin, much more. So this will affect the product and also our washing machine. So we have to check the pockets thoroughly and empty them before placing that inside the drum. Number two, we have to put our white clothes separately. Mixing them with other color clothes might spoil the white color because some of them release the dye color. Similarly, we can load new or dark garments separately for the first few washes because of the color bleeding or dye transfer. Number three, washing the clothes according to their material is effective. Our washing machines have separate wash cycles for that. For shirts, they have a different wash cycle method. And for jeans, they have a separate one. So we can follow this if we have enough clothes and time. But if we want to mix our clothes, like if we have a few t-shirts and pants, then we can try the quick wash one for small loads around 2 kg. We can try this. We can try this only if our clothes are not very dirty. Number four, we have to unbutton our shirts, cuffs, etc. so that our washer will clean all the areas properly. Also, we have to keep our zippers closed as well. If we have any zippers, we have to make sure it is properly closed. This could affect the other clothes and get tangled. So we can close them, but we can keep our pants inside out like this so that it will wash our pocket areas properly. Number five, we can use a mesh bag like this for washing our delicate clothes like our innerwears, wool materials, etc. We will make a dedicated video about this soon. Please do subscribe to get notified about this. We have to avoid mixing incompatible items, like we should not mix delicates with heavy towels that will literally crush our delicate clothes. Number six, we have to check the care labels properly. Almost all the clothes have this and we have to check that properly. We can see all the details here. Wash dark colors separately. Use mild detergent, cold water, gentle cycle. Number seven, if we want to wash our shoes on our washer, then we can try shoe bags like this. Though it doesn't 100% remove all the dirt inside out, it does a decent job. We already published a full video about this. I'll kindly check the link in the description along with this product link. Number 8, we should wash heavily soiled items separately. Like we should not mix our normal t-shirt with a sports t-shirt which is very dirty. We can keep all the mud, sand, ink, etc. dirty clothes separately and wash them. We can also enable intensive wash cycle for them to thoroughly clean this. Number 9, we should avoid overloading and underloading the drum. If the drum size is 9 kg, 12 kg, etc., we have to always leave some space at the top. There is this handshake rule for doing this. Like if we keep our hand inside the drum in this handshake way like this, if we do this and insert inside the drum, we should be able to do that without any issue. That means the drum is not overloaded. Regarding underloading, we should always keep sufficient clothes inside the drum. If not, we can try the quick wash cycle for this with low RPM. Number 10, we have to arrange heavier items at the bottom and lighter ones on top. Like we can place our jeans at the bottom here and then we can place our t-shirt at the top if we plan to mix them and wash. We have to evenly balance the drum. We can simply throw our clothes inside, but making them even can reduce noise and give a proper rotation. Number 11, we have to avoid putting detergent directly on the drum. We have to use the detergent dryer here, and we have to put the liquid detergent here. We can put liquid detergent here, powder detergent or fabric softener. We can preheat the clothes using liquid detergent if we want. Just for the area where we have the dirt, we can apply the liquid detergent, keep it aside for a few minutes, then we can put this in the drum. In case of laundry pots, can put this inside the drum like this. We have to place it at the bottom like this, then we can keep our clothes on the top of this. That's all. Number 12, for small loads, we can use low RPM like 800, 600, 400, or we can use the quick wash function. Suppose if we want to put only 2 kg clothes, then we can skip full length wash cycles. Instead, we can try the quick wash function if our clothes are not very dirty. Number 13, when we use our washing machine regularly, we have to clean the drum regularly as well. After 40 washes or so, we can do a drum clean. Different brands have different options for this, so kindly check your user manual as well. We published a full video about this for Samsung washer. Kindly check the link in the description along with other helpful videos. 14, and finally, after completing the wash cycle, we can leave the drum door open for some time. We can also open the detergent dryer and keep it open for some time. That's all. So let's rewind the topics we have discussed. Empty cloth pockets, put white clothes separately, use different wash cycles, unbutton shirts and close zippers, mesh bag for delicates, check care labels, use a shoe laundry bag. Heavily soiled items, we have to wash them separately. Avoid overloading and underloading clothes. If we have heavier clothes, we have to place them at the bottom, lighter clothes on top. No detergent on drum except for laundry pots. If we have small and lightly soiled clothes, we have to use low RPM or quick wash. We have to do drum clean regularly. And finally, we have to leave the drum door and detergent dryer open for some minutes after the wash cycle gets completed. That's all. These are the steps to put our clothes properly in front load washing machine drum. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.